Sometimes you have an image that's just too small and you'd like it bigger. And if you make it bigger, then it will get a bit pixelated because the resolution isn't high enough. There's a brilliant free AI tool I'm going to show you that you can use to upscale your images. It's a website called let'senhance.io. And when you create a free account, it will give you 10 free credits. So that's plenty to get started with. Simply go to the website, click on the button that says create free account. Once you have a free account, you're then in the tool and upload your image. On the right hand side, make sure you select manual, and then you can choose whether you want to double the resolution 4 times, increase it by 4 times or 6 times. It will even tell you what the final output size of your image will be. That'll give you an idea of how big you can print it. Then make sure you click the button that says start processing. It'll take a minute or two to process, and then you can download your final image. This is a brilliant tool for your marketing because quite often we do have images that we want much bigger if we're sending them to print. Also, it could be that you're using a free tool to erase somebody or something in your image. And quite often when you use free tools, it will just give you a low resolution output. If you'd like to learn how to erase somebody from an image, just watch this video here. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, why not subscribe to the channel? It'd be a big help to the channel. Also in the comments, why not let me know what you think and whether you've used the tool.